Yes, good morning. So, today, Sunday, we will do paralegal work for lawyers and judges. And the same sittings, you who are watching this video will be the one who are asking for a legal help. And me will be the assigned paralegal to get the facts of your case, and I will give it to a lawyer, and the lawyer will uh, give the proper lawyer that can help you in your case. So now, what we will have today is crimes involving church. So as we all know, the church is the most sacred place, particularly to the non-Muslims. Okay, so I think this is including the mosque of Muslims. So to make it simple, we will just make the church of the Catholic Church as our example. So now, so no one will expect that crimes are happening inside the church. So we will do by one. For example, your case was inside the church, and uh, no one can help you but we as paralegals. So first, theft can be committed inside the church. So for example, if a belonging was left, then it is simple theft. But in other instances where the husband uh, camouflage as a Catholic faithful, then her wife was the one who is in charge in the collecting of money, and upon uh, giving the uh, open force for the tithes, then the husband maliciously and notoriously put 5 peso coin inside the open force, and upon retrieving his hand, he get 500 pesos. So, what crime is committed? So, the crime is theft. It is not simple theft. It is qualified theft because there is abuse of confidence. So, the priest will expect that it is his husband. So obviously, the priest will not suspect her and her husband. So in that case, the crime is simple theft, qualified theft, because there is abuse of confidence. So then the wife can be prosecuted also for uh, accomplice or can be uh, principal of the crime. So for other crimes involving inside the church is stabbing. So if you are inside the church, then a man followed a woman until inside the church. Then inside the church, he he holds her legs. Then the woman has her knife. Then she stabbed him in the face. So that's a crime of uh, homicide. But and we all know as a veteran law student, we all know that a church, when you commit a crime inside the church, the penalty will be twice. So obviously, it will be aggravated. So in that case, the crime is homicide. Even though it will be mitigated since she was being provoked by holding her legs. So again, another crime. So we have homicide and uh, qualified theft. So the last for this day will be murder. So the first one is homicide, now murder. So inside the church, one without knowing where he to go, he go to the church to pray. Then upon praying with closed eyes and kneeling, he pray for God to make him safe and his family. But there was a voice who said, "There is no safe place here on earth." Then suddenly, a 45 caliber gun was heard, penetrating his head. Then, in that case, it is murder. That's still committed inside the church. So again, if you have problem or asking for legal help involving crimes inside the church, don't hesitate to ask for paralegal help so that your case will be solved. So thank you very much. Good day. God bless and have a blessed Sunday.